friends, and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on cucumber Moru Kulambu, a very refreshing curry that goes good with rice. And this time I'm using cucumber in my Moru Kulambu, and these cucumbers are from my terrace garden. Look how fresh these cucumbers are. I have a separate video on the tour of my terrace garden, for which I will leave you the link in the description box so that you can check the video. Now let's start with the ingredients required. I have taken half a cucumber, coconut, cumin and 2 green chilies, a handful of curry leaves, and for the seasoning I have taken mustard and 2 to 3 red dry chilies, oil, salt, curd and turmeric powder. So these are all the ingredients required. Now let's start making. Take a hard bottom vessel, add in the cucumber with a little turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Also add in water and boil this for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cucumber turns soft. Let's boil this now. Meanwhile, take the coconut, cumin and green chili in a blending jar and make it into a smooth paste by adding water. The paste has to be so smooth as you see here. Now our cucumbers are done. As you can see, they are turned so soft. So this stage, let's add in the coconut paste. I'm adding little more water. Now mix this well and allow this to cook until the raw smell from the coconut leaves off. So this will take about 2 or 3 minutes or so. Maintain a low flame. It's not necessary that the curry has to boil. Now let's add in the curd. I have whisked the curd well in a blending jar before adding it. One cup of curd will do. Now cook this for about 30 seconds. And our Moru curry is done. Now let's prepare the seasoning, for which I have taken a pan with some oil. I am using coconut oil here. Now let's add in the mustard and the dry red chilies. Let the mustard splatter. Also throw in the curry leaves and add the seasoning on top of your Moru curry. And yes, our cucumber Moru curry is ready. Hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like the episode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and keep supporting House to Home.